In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add elements on a page in Softr. If you're looking to build a beautiful and functional website quickly, Softr is a powerful tool to help you with just that. Whether you're new to Softr or looking to expand your skills, adding elements to a page is an essential part of designing your website. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Softr. Click on the Softr link to navigate to the website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. This is your command center, where all your projects live. From here, select the specific project or application you want to work on today. Now that you've opened your desired project, let's dive into adding elements. On your working canvas, locate the plus icon. You'll want to click on this icon in the area where you envision placing a new block. This action opens up the block library, which will appear on the right-hand side of your screen. The block library is organized into various categories, making it easier for you to find exactly what you're looking for. As you browse, you'll notice that the block library offers a wide range of options. You can pull dynamic data from an external source, such as a connected Airtable or Google Sheet, which can be displayed as lists, grids, or tables. This feature is particularly useful if you want your website to display up-to-date information automatically. In addition to dynamic data blocks, you can also select from standard website components that feature static content. Think about your website structure and consider adding elements like headers, hero sections, or footers to give your site a professional finish. These elements are vital in setting the tone and branding of your site. Another useful category is organizational elements. These blocks help you structure and arrange other components on your page effectively, ensuring your site remains visually appealing and easy to navigate. Once you've found the block you want to use, it's as simple as clicking on it to add it to your page. You'll notice a placeholder appears on the canvas, indicating where the block will reside. To make the block fully functional and personalized, click on it to access its settings panel. Here, you can customize the block to suit your needs. Depending on the block type, you can change its layout, modify its content, and adjust styling options such as colors and fonts. Additionally, you can control its visibility to ensure it appears exactly how and when you want it. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding elements on a page in Softr. With these steps, you can efficiently craft a beautiful and functional website that suits your needs. Happy building!